Okay, so I'm Anna and I'm playing the Zinc-it representative.
I'm Eileen and I'm playing Hassan.
Yeah, I'm Felix and I'm her lawyer.
Okay.
For the Zinc-it representative, you're going against us.
Yeah.
Right.
Pretty much.
Yeah, so let's make sure the disagreement point is 20-0 here, right? If we don't met the
Yes.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically my intuition is to maximize the upfront, and I think you guys are just maximizing the expected values, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So for the packages we have, I think we'll eventually agree on somewhere between B to D because A and E is too extreme. So for the Zinc-it representative, Anna, right? I don't think you're gonna agree on package A because it's
the lowest.
You get only 5
Yeah.
million. And for E, I don't think Felix or Yifei, right, is going to agree because you get only 12 and 4 up front. Right. So for the remaining 3, what are your thoughts?
B, I get the fourth of all of my surplus, and Hassan gets first, and then for Massey it's equal between that and C. But that also seems like the most equal payoff because it's an 8.5 million and a 9 million surplus basically. So very similar. So if we're just going on basically making it fair, that makes the most sense. Also, that's more surplus than C is, which is only 15 million in total as opposed to 17.5. I guess in terms of ranked preferences, C makes it most fair if we're just going off of rankings of our preferences, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
I don't know what your guys' thoughts are.
Yeah, so the problem is for me because I personally don't care about the bonus, and because for my disagreement point is basically 0.05 times 20 for accepting Zums. So it's so the options D or E seems to be invalid for me because that's already below my disagreement point, I think, because
do you get 0.05 even if we don't reach an agreement? I thought you'd get nothing.
I don't think so because the other order from Zums is also comes from me. So
okay, in that case, I think we also eliminated D because if it's only 17 mil, I think the lawyer wouldn't agree and switch back to what was it called, the previous one. So for B and C, I actually agree on Anna's point. So from an efficient point of view, we should choose B, but did you say fairness goes to C? Or are we going for B then?
I think though, if we can figure out something one that's not one of these packages.
Yeah, definitely.
The most sense, yeah. I would pay an upfront fee of 18 million and then a bonus of 20 million, which if you then do all the calculations of our expected values would give me a surplus of, or an expected value of 10 million. So that's still lower than 2 of mine. It would be third kind of if placed in this table. And then it would give, you guys would value the company at 30 million, which is higher than any of these as well. It's $1 million higher.
I personally think, of course, for me, I won't accept anything below 20 million. And for you guys, I suppose maybe you can have 20, because currently we go for package B and Eileen's surplus is 9 and your surplus is 8.5, and maybe we can make it more fair in that way.
If we have anything that's larger than 9 for me and 8.5 for Anna, I think it would be better than B, and that will do. I actually made a graph of this. So I graphed Zinc-it representative as 30 minus X minus 0.1 Y. And for me, it's going to be X plus 0.6 Y.
So shall we say then to get it equal, the upfront payment should be 20 million and then the bonus should be
100 over 7.
Yeah, 100 over 7 million. Okay, everybody in agreement?